Ben from Marrickville. I wanted to introduce B. She's a Marrickville rider. She's pretty cool.
Hi everyone.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And what are you riding at the moment?
GTR Evolve.
Yeah, GTR
Looking
Bamboo.
for some off-road.
Yep, nice. And I thought I'd bring B in to show you guys what happens when you get your new Super73 ZG. This is the Super73 ZG, and I wanted to take you through what would happen when you get that delivered to you and how to put it together. Oh, Omar's here as well. So Omar, hey, jump in there.
I'm back.
He's going to be our cameraman for today. Alrighty. Oh, by the way, I just want to do a shout out to Battler Clothing. Thanks very much, Nell. This is the new sweater that we're wearing, and it's pretty cool. I just like the koala in the space. Can you see the koala in the space helmet? What do you think, B?
I love it. I love koalas.
Yeah, cool. Anyway, so this is how you get the Super73 ZG. It comes in a box like this, delivered by Star Trek. So first thing to do is just open it up. And without cutting it off, the staples are really sharp.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah. Now, take the foam out. And it is handy to have a second person help you take the bike out. You want to grab the steel frame part. But I thought I might also show you a little tip for if you're by yourself and you can't handle the excitement. Take the stuff out of the back and then find a safe place to put that.
It's heavy.
Yeah. Pull out padding and then try and do it without scratching yourself on the staples.
Maybe this one as well.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And also show them in there has the charger, the little box of stuff, so don't lose that. Okay, and so if you are by yourself, what you can do is lift up the box and the bike. So pull it like this. And then when it's at this position, might be able to come out here, Omar. See, you should just be able to wheel it out. Oh, so that was just a cable tie attached to the pedals. Okay, yeah, because the pedals turn when you wheel it out. Alright, so that's how you get the bike out by yourself. And then you might want to put the stand down. Where's your hand? Oh, there. And put that down. Alrighty, so B, this is how you would receive the bike.
Awesome.
Yeah, looks pretty cool, huh? So, I guess next thing to do is grab a pair
Nice
of
color.
scissors.
What color do you have?
Yeah, a lot of the blue because I think the blue is awesome. And then there's black and pink, and then there's white and orange coming as well. Yeah, and then with the scissors, just cut through the cable ties without scratching the bike. And then any other cutting. You just want to grab these, the plastic cable ties there.
Done.
Great. Alright, so you can see that the handlebars come separate, still on the bike. Yeah, that's it, keep going through that. It's okay, Omar, to keep filming because this is real life. This is what happens when you get your Super73. You may have a really tough piece of plastic. Other way. Yeah.
Oh, is it? Maybe.
Yeah. Here you go, B. So that's the handles.
We do have a 5mm.
Alright, let's see what comes in the box, right? So you've got your pedals, your instruction manual, reflectors, and some tools. So this will be the tool that you need for the Allen key, for those screws there. So here, B, you just want to get this top bit off.
Yeah.
Makes sense. So what you do is, then you can sit on the bike, and then place the handlebar there.
There.
Yeah, that's it. Yep. And then it's actually handy when you've got two people doing this because you can.
Saddle on.
Yeah. Oops. Okay, now with it still loose, what you want to do is grab the handles
Yeah.
and just pull the handlebars back to where you feel comfortable.
Maybe straight like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, so exactly like what B's doing, just get yourself comfortable on the bike and then tighten up this handlebar clamp here. And then at this point you want to tighten it up so that you want to have an even space on this side and this side of the bar. So you just tighten these up, go diagonal and just change it over to maintain a consistent gap. And then you want to do it hand tight. It's got to be tight enough that the bar can't move at all while you're riding. So I just keep going back over the screws to make sure that each Allen key screw is really tight.
I'm excited.
Yeah. Just try to do that without cutting the seat. And
your finger.
Yeah, don't cut your finger. Yeah.
One. Second one.
So one important point here is B's got the handlebars set up in the right position for her, but I think the brakes might be a little bit too far down. Do they feel too far down?
Maybe a little bit.
A little bit too far
Yeah.
down?
If we can
So-
move them a little bit up.
Yeah, so that's a good thing to check as well. And there's just a little keyhole under the handlebar there. Oops, I'm gonna grab that. Alright, so with that loose, then you can just lift that brake lever up slightly so that it's at a good handle position. And then whilst you're on the bike, just check that the brakes are good.
Okay.
So you just want to push the bike forward and use the brakes to stop yourself, just to make sure it stops moving.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, it's good?
Yeah.
Great. And now there'll be the pedals. So one thing with the pedals is you want to look at the end of that pedal there for a letter. It might be a bit too close. That's a L. And then what have you got there, B?
R.
Yeah, so that's
So
R for
the
right.
right
So
side.
you just want to screw the pedals in very slowly just to make sure we get the thread right. You don't want to cross thread these. Okay, I think I've got that right. Yeah, and then we just need the tool. So with this tool here, in actual fact, can I show you a trick? If B's letting go of that other side, you can actually turn the pedal backwards whilst holding that, and it will screw itself in. There you go, it's screwed itself all the way in now. And now all I have to do is tighten that right up, hand tight. So you want it to be good and hand tight so the pedals stay on. And there you go, B.
Okay, let's try this out. And then move the pedal.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think, oh yeah, the next thing is just to check the tyre pressure. So how is that when you're on the bike? That feels, oh yeah, so when they come in a box, they come with fairly low tyre pressure. So let's grab the pump and get that going. Oh,
20.
20 psi, yeah.
The wrong side.
Yeah, push it in and then flick the switch
Like that.
the other way. Will be easier. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just pump it up to about 15. Although it says 20,
Yeah,
just do it to
5
15. It
less.
should be enough.
I think that's
Couple more.
fine.
All right. Yeah, I mean that's typically where we leave it, around about the 15 psi, isn't it, Emma?
Yes.
Yeah. So it might say 20 psi on the tire, but you don't need to pump it up the whole way. It's good to have it just under so that you get a bit more cushioning in the ride. All right, nice one, B.
Also the back.
Yeah, and then you do back on. All right, so whilst B's doing that for us, what else do we need to do?
Thanks, guys.
And then just pretty much before you ride it, charge, of course. Just charging.
Oh yeah, I'll show you the charging port. It's right here. There's the charging port there. You just open this cover and put the charger in. The charger has a little LED light on it, so it's red when it's charging and it's green when it's not. And it's a good idea to only charge your lithium bikes and lithium batteries when everyone's awake in the house, just in case there's any electrical faults.
One more.
Okay.
Done.
All right, and then we would charge the bike fully up. And is there anything else we've forgotten to do, Emma?
No, I think that's it. Just test ride. Make sure everything is firm before you go on your maiden voyage.
Yeah. Okay. You wanna have a try?
Yes, sure. Now the fun part.
Yep. So that's how you turn it on. So just give it one press and then it should light up. Yeah. And then you can jump on the bike. Yep. All right. Now, the other thing to do is turn this controller device on. So there's a button underneath. You just hold that
Over
on.
here.
Yep.
So this one is the battery life.
Yep, that's it. So hold it down and then it'll come up and you can see like multiple bars have come up. Now I think it's
So
only
yeah.
showing 3 bars, so it's
Three.
showing a half full battery, which is typically how they come. Now what you want to do to get pedal assist is to press the plus button so you can get the bars come up here. So press the plus button. Okay, one blue light, and then you press again. That was low, now you're medium, and then press again and you'll get press again and you'll get 3 blue bars. That's
The speed.
high pedal assist.
Okay.
Yeah. Now if you don't want high pedal assist, you just press the minus button and it will go down 1 to 2. Now it's 2 blues.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just leave 2.
That's it.